land on top of that. Oh shit! No, you won't be able to get me this time, troll boy. Who put these trolls down here, huh? There's a troll in the dungeon. There's a troll in the dungeon. Sweet beans are made of these. These butterflies are here too. I thought we collected them all. Come on, dude. Just stop running. What's your purpose, even? So yep, bam. Can I collect you at all? No, you're just floating around for no reason in the dungeon of all places.
It's me, Raymond. Can you see my
Who
kitten?
the fuck is Raymond?
I hear her down there meowing.
Oh, it's this fucking guy. I guess. Alright, Raymond. Everybody loves you. Your cat better be here, or I'm gonna be extremely pissed off. What's this thing? Okay. Well. I guess it's gonna be in one of these boxes, huh? Can you fuck off, dog? I mean, rat? Whatever. You... Okay, so I can't... I gotta be looking at it. Harry's greatest enemy! Rat! This is scary. Oh, God, it has to be cute, too. You know, in a perfect world, this cat would eat the rats. Oh. Yeah, you're very cute. Thank you for being very cute. I love you for being so cute. Now, don't mind me while I killed this rat. You're very cute, though. Oh my god. It's got like... Oh, let's just have a look. Just sit still. Just sit still. I just want to look at your giant feet when you sit down. Oh my god, you got little green eyes. You look like Garfield. Ah, I got a little Garfield following me around. Come here, Garfield. I got some lasagna. Like, I'm not gonna wait around for you, you small little bitch. Get your ass over here, little pixel man. The smallest model in this game. My cat, Harry. You gotta save me, cat. Can I just adopt this cat? Can I just follow me around? Can I be like my duo companion? Can I be my kazooie to my banjo? My Sparks to my Spyro? My Aku Aku to my Crash Bandicoot?
Leviosa. Here's a famous witches and wizards card for you.
Fantastic. Finally, I got one of these. View Folio Magi. Well, alright. Wait, what? Alright. Let's have a look at this fucking card we got, I guess. Jesus Christ, is there a loading screen for a card?
Edgar
You didn't have to go...
Stronger,
Jesus Christ.
1703.
Right. I mean, I like the art, but, wow. That's like the longest fucking wait time I've had to wait for anything. Fantastical. Floating cubes? There's a troll in the... Are we on that part of the movie already? Oh, okay. This is gonna be timed, isn't it? This is just gonna be timed. It's gonna raise that up. You raise me up! And it's gonna be timed. And it's gonna be timed. And it's gonna be... It's not gonna be timed. Oh, because it points at least. I'll take it. I got my Twitter feed open in my other window and someone just said Ricky is a comedic genius, and I've never heard something that's more like detrimental to my mental health. Ah! Oh, I guess that's toxic. Look, I wouldn't... Whatever. No, shit. This sucks. Holy shit. Fuck this. No! Oh, I made it. I somehow made it. This is awful. This is the one. No! Just jump. Just land on it. Just... You don't have to be a neo-Nazi to understand this. That's a joke, meaning that neo-Nazis are stupid, by the way, okay? I made it, though. And now I'll live forever. So in this version, I'm the one that releases the troll in the dungeon. Not, a quivering Professor Quirrell. Even though we've not met him yet, I don't think. 20 more points? Baby, 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 you're just giving these to me. Some of these fucking beans, Jesus Christ. I had to work for these beans before. I guess that fucking platforming is working for La Beans. There's the troll symbol up there. But, where from here, huh? I don't like it. It's scary. He's scary, snoring troll man. Do I have to do some Crash Bandicoot running from the boulder level soon? Yeah, he's just got his own bed. He's just chilling. in Cedar Rapids. I don't like anything about this. Wait, is he gonna wake up at all? Oh, gotta go. Okay. Well, I got them beans after sneezing really loudly, so I'm gonna guess I might be okay. I don't know why this troll just has like his own room, but I'll take it. What do I do here exactly? Wait, can I oh god, just drop it slightly, just quiet. See, I'm a smarty. I'm a smarty. You just put it on the hay because it doesn't make sound if it's on the hay. I'm a god. Does Harry know the spell to lock doors? Because I feel like he needs to function up some sort of thing there. Oh, there's just platforming up there, huh? Cheating, but I'll take it. Can I make that jump? Yep. Alright. Firefly room. Oh, wait a gosh dang minute.
Now this is scary.
Not really. Just don't come for me and we're fine. I'll take it. What's this glitter thing over here? What's happening over here? Is there some random snow particles? Oh, whatever. Ooh, boo, boo. Alright, I need you to go on then, because I just want the fucking bean. Alright, I just want the bean. That's all. Thank you. Yep, that's all I want. Just this. That's all I want. Da-da-dan. Alright. The Firefly room again. I don't know what the purpose of this is. Did I need this for something? Did he tell me to get this? Did Snape be like, yeah, so, what are these fake doors? They piss me off. Just have a fucking wall texture. It makes me feel like there should be something there. Potions class. Yeah, so I kind of fell, and, I got killed by Voldemort, but I'm back again.
I wasn't expecting you back so soon. Give me those fireflies.
Wait a minute. I love you.
Now leave me
Papa.
in peace, Potter. Your defense
Yes,
against
Daddy.
the Dark Arts class with Professor Quirrell is about to start, and you're already late.
Oh, God. The giant... Oh, that's where the fucking bats are coming from. So, like, is this the defense against the Dark Arts? Yes, it is. Okay. This isn't correct thematically, and I'm pissed off. Oh, God. Wait, there's beans down here! I want these beans! I don't care about these books at the Mojo. Oh, I do have a lot of time, though. And there's also birdie bots up there. So, what I'm thinking... Please. Okay. Nope. Where's... Okay, just... I need you guys to grow and make a platform for me so I can jump on it. Please, sir. Please, sir. Thank you. Arigato. Mr. Roboto. Yep. Okay. That's all I want right now. Alright. Now I need these books to reappear in front of me. Would be much obliged. Okay, should I just jumped on this one? Oh god. Okay, I made it. Easy. We made it to class on time, right? This is the ending of class, how I can just make it... Nope. Oh, of course. I got a little bit more time left. I could stretch it out, right? Come on. Hang on. I just want the fucking beans. We still got time. I hate the anxiety this fucking timer clock gives me. Because it's such a slow, like, transgression, but you can still, like, hear it speed up. Oh, fuck. No, this is not gonna work out between us, sweetie. Ha! Oh my god. Okay.
Welcome,
Easy.
young Mr. Potter, to Defense Against Dark Arts. You're just in time.
I love his fucking
Gather round.
autism lips.
Class,
This is the
your
worst defense against
the
glass
Dark Arts lesson.
like
You
class
may
ever.
begin, Harry.
This guy's budget
Today
must be
we'll
cut
learn a
like
most
fucking
powerful spell
destroyed.
from Cornelius. Get ready.
That's what? Alright. Haven't heard of that one before, but I'll take it. Okay.
Oh dear.
Fuck
That was
off.
good.
Let's get her over and done with.
Perfect.
Why you teach me this shit when you know
Concentration,
that, like,
please. It's
you
going
have to kill me?
to get-
You know the one thing I didn't really understand about this
That was
guy is,
good.
like, why he faked having a stutter?
Excellent.
Like, did he really need to fake having a stutter for somebody
Perfect.
that doesn't know anything at
Watch out
all?
for this.
It's my perfect disguise. I have a stutter. Oh, yeah, you fucking bitch. What the
Keep
fuck? You
trying.
can't do that.